Getting to know your Frigidaire laundry center is pretty simple. First, load your washer or dryer. And close the lid or door. After loading your washer or dryer, turn the cycle selector in either direction to scroll to your desired cycle. In some models, the indicator for your selection will be illuminated. For the washer, you are now ready to press the Wash Temp button to cycle through wash water temperatures until the desired temperature is selected. Press the Water Level button to select your wash water level. And finally, press Start Pause to begin. Your laundry center may beep. You may also hear your lid lock on the washer with a click sound. For the dryer, turn the cycle selector in either direction. You are now ready to select the temperature setting most suitable for your load, and then press Start Pause to begin. If you need to add a forgotten item to your laundry load, press the Start Pause button to pause the cycle. You may hear a beep. Wait for the washer tub or dryer drum to stop and the lid lock to release if you're adding to your washer. Add the item and then close the washer lid or dryer door and press Start Pause again to continue. Tip: if you need to change your settings after the cycle has started, you will need to cancel the wash or dry cycle. Note: you may hear a beep. Wait for the washer tub or dryer drum to come to a stop and the lid lock to disengage. You can then reselect your cycle, wash or dry temp, and/or water level. Don't forget to press Start Pause once you're ready to begin. We're here to help. For descriptions of each cycle and settings on your Frigidaire laundry center and when best to use each one, check out your Use and Care Guide for more information. You can also visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. You've got this!